I look forward most of the school year is probably robotics.
I'm looking forward to winning sectionals with the soccer team.
I'm most excited for lax season.
When Devin Dyer graduates.
Football games.
I'm excited for the new classrooms.
I'm looking forward to lunch right now.
AP World.
Looking forward to this year, to everyone having a safe, great year with positive results.
Graduating.
I'm most looking forward to baseball season.
This year I'm looking forward to meeting everybody, getting to know names, building those relationships. So.
Homecoming. Sports.
This year I'm looking forward to winning a section title for football.
I am most excited about seeing the transformation of the school as they continue to do the renovations.
To see how far the Queensbury girls soccer team can go.
I'm most excited for the new chicken patties in the lunchroom this year.
Being in media production with Miss Martuli.
I'm really excited to volunteer for Key Club.
Lacrosse.
Prom.
Good grades.
I'm excited to graduate. I'm looking forward to a good school year and a long postseason run for the guys soccer team.
So excited about post-prom. Shameless plug. I already have a theme. Are you going to come join me?
Okay, I'm looking forward to getting to know all my new students this year and also our trip to Costa Rica in February.
I'm Bryce Blyptree and I'm excited for the 2020 Junior Class magazine sale.
So far, we've only sold 33.
And we need to sell 500. All you need to do is click the link and use the code.
And if you sell 15 magazines, you get a free prom ticket. Yay! Class of 2020!